Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday, November 13th, 2014. 2 days left in the week already. Slow start to the week because of the Tuesday bank holiday. Thought maybe Wednesday would come back, and it was a little more exciting for us, but it certainly wasn't overly impressive. NASDAQ volume closed off only at 1.6 billion shares for the session, and that's not huge. Here's a look at the ES. This is the S&P E-mini front month futures contract on the daily chart. 9 bars up now on our seeker tool, or 9 bars into the countdown phase of our seeker tool. And, we've just kind of been drifting here. We're not really making big leaps and bounds. We're not rolling over. Here's a look at the volume number day over day. So Tuesday was the bank holiday. It was pretty bad as expected. But see, Wednesday came, and actually Monday was stronger volume than Wednesday. So that's kind of weird when you figure Monday was wedged between the weekend and the holiday. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ index. Closed at a new high again today, up 8 points. The S&P was down 1. Stocks lost 1. Biotechs gained 2. Got the VIX still sitting down in the gutter at 1377, was up just a little bit for the session. Oil has reached 77.94 for the close. And gold didn't do much at all today. Overall, fairly flat session, I would say, generally speaking. All right, let's go back and look just at the intraday action just to see what we got. There's a price alert going off there. So here's the 5-minute chart. You can see we gapped down in the morning, headed up. If I show you the NASDAQ side first, gapped down in the morning, headed up, filled the gap on the NASDAQ, the NQs, then rolled back over near the lows, and then turned and kind of pushed up for the rest of the day. Meanwhile, the ES side gapped down, headed up, didn't fill the gap on the first push, pulled back towards the low of the days, and then came back up and filled the gap exactly. So the 2 gap fills were the 2 times we topped out, one for the NQs and then one for the ES for the session. Overall, wasn't too much in the stock side. We had a nice Apple trade breaking out of the new daily high. We have some economic data Thursday morning. We've got initial and continuing jobless claims. That's the weekly number. We've got the JOLTS job opening 30 minutes in. And then because of the holiday, they've got natty gas and crude oil inventories, both in the morning, one at 10:30, one at 11, and in the afternoon Treasury budget. We then roll into Friday with retail sales, import-export prices, Michigan sentiment, and the business inventories. That's all on Friday. Now, just so you know, next week is options expiration week. It is a full week, normal week. Week after that's Thanksgiving, which is usually one of the slowest weeks of the year. Monday and Tuesday are interesting. Wednesday, everybody heads out for the busiest travel day of the year. Thursday, obviously, Thanksgiving itself. Friday is a half day. Most people don't even trade. We won't have any picks for that day. And then Saturday, Sunday. And then we are amazingly, in this case, because Thanksgiving is late, into December. So not only is that half day Friday a half day, it's the last day of the month of November. So you're going to have stocks pegged to their end of month pricing anyways. So that week is really just about Monday, Tuesday at best. All right, that's what we see. So hopefully we can get a good trading session Thursday, maybe the best of the week if the volume picks up a bit because we've been held back by this weird holiday schedule. Everybody have a great day. We will be in the lab calling it as usual. Hope to see you there. Charts brought to you by eSignal.